go ahead and exit out of customizer mode. Okay, and we are going to add a section below the call to action section that we created, and we're going to put a little client section where you can, put an image of different clients that you've worked with, or perhaps your partners, or something, something like that. And it's going to actually be like a little slider that will move left or right. So let's go back into our back end and make sure you are on pages and go to your home page. And we're just going to add another widget here. So let's click the plus button once again. And we're going to scroll down until we see Moesia FP clients over here on the left side towards the bottom. So click Moesia FP clients. And we can give this a title. I'm just going to say some happy, oops, I apologize, customers. And I'm not going to upload a background image. I want this to stay white. So let's select done. And let's update this page. Now obviously that won't have done anything because we don't have any clients yet, but we can come down here where it says clients on the toolbar on the left side, and let's come over here and just click add new. Alright, and I am just going to add a new client, and because this is a make-believe website and I don't actually have a app development company, let's just call this first client Udemy. Seems fitting, doesn't it? So all we do is we add a title and we select a featured image. Now I've already gone and created images for all my clients, and I have some skill using Photoshop. I'm a graphic designer as well, so I have different ways of getting PNG files. But just a quick reference, if you're on a Mac and you want to grab a logo of one of your clients, you can, and I'll do Udemy logo in Google. You can actually just take a screenshot, and let's go to images really quickly. Let's go look at this one. I'm just going to view this image. We could just hit Command Shift 4 on a Mac, and that's going to pull up these little crosshairs, and you can just drag this out here, and that's going to take a screenshot, and then I will have this screenshot on my desktop, so I could then upload that as my client photo. But if you don't have a Mac and you can't do that, go ahead, if you're on Windows, look up how to take a screenshot of something specific. I have also attached a clients folder on the resources of this lecture called clients, and so go ahead and download that zip file, and you can use the photos that I'm going to be using and put them in as placeholders, and go back and change those images later on when you have the specific images for your actual clients. And later on, if you want to just delete this section altogether, you can, but I do recommend excuse me, I do recommend that you go through all the steps with me just to know how to do everything. So let's open up our browser again and go back into our back end. Now I have Udemy as my first client, and I'm just going to come down to featured image, and this is how we select our image for these. And I'm just going to go to set featured image, and I'm going to click upload files, and let's go ahead and select a file from our clients folder that we just downloaded. So I'm going to go to clients, and I'm just going to select the udemy.png. Let that load, and we'll just set that as featured image and go ahead and select publish. Now if we refresh our screen, we should see a nice little section added here. Some happy customers. There we go. We have that beautiful Udemy logo there. Now we just need to add a few more. So let's go back to clients, and let's add a new one up here in the top right of the edit client section. And we're just going to name this one, let's do photo bucket. And let's go back to set featured image, and we're going to upload another file, select files, and just grab the photobucket.png. And we're going to set that and publish. Very good, add new, and we're just going to do the last three really quickly. So let's do Uber, and yes, these are some big companies. Wouldn't it be great if I developed all these apps? Upload files, select file, Uber, set featured. Let's go ahead and publish that, and we're going to add 2 more. So let's do Spotify. Set featured image. Let's upload the Spotify logo really quickly. There it is. Set featured image, publish. And one last one. And this one's going to be Airbnb. Oops, don't do that. We need to click add new. But that's okay because we already saved that last one, so our Spotify will still be in there. And once we click add new, we can do Airbnb. Actually, I think it's all one word. And let's go ahead and, I'm sorry, I don't know, did I click add new? Oh, so it's still trying to edit the last one because I clicked stay on page. I'm going to click leave page. Now create a new one, Airbnb. And I'm going to add this image really quickly, and let's upload it. Airbnb, there we go. And let's set this featured image. Let's go ahead and publish, and we should have 5 logos of some of our happy customers. There we go, awesome. And I'm not doing anything. You'll notice that they're going left to right in this little slider, and we can click it to make it go. We can even use this to drag. And we'll be able to, on our mobile device, just swipe left and right to look through those. But they all look pretty good. That's pretty cool. We now have a customer section where we can put some of our happy clients, which is something that people love to see.